2022.9 officially released. I know I'm about a day late on this. Now, I'm not going to talk about what everybody else is talking about. We'll get to that in a second. But most important, bug fixes. I come to this section because I want to know what they fixed. Sometimes I'm having a specific issue and I want to know if they addressed it. And this time around, they did. Now, if we scroll down, there's a couple of issues here that they have taken care of, which is great. Now, I'm not going to cover this. Check the description. That information will be there. I'm getting all this information from the Pro Tools Expert website. So what everybody wants to talk about is this Pro Tools ARA integration with Melodyne. Lots of information here. They even have videos on this. I'm not going to cover this stuff. I just installed this yesterday. I need a little bit more time. I'll make a follow-up video and we could just dive into some of the new features and some of the stuff that they added. The Melodyne thing is great, but this is what really caught my attention. This Pro Tools Aux I/O. Well, unfortunately, it's only a Mac thing because I was looking for this and I could not find it in the Windows world. What's so awesome about this feature, if you're like me, I have multiple audio interfaces connected. You can take advantage of all those inputs and outputs with this new functionality. So don't forget, check the description. All this information is going to be there. If you have any questions, post at the bottom. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. If you need to get a hold of me, my email's there. You could reach out to me. That'll be the fastest way if you want to get a hold of me. And stay tuned for a follow-up video because I will be making one. Anyway, I hope you got something out of this video. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.